How much do you know about your filters? Let's go. I'd recommend getting your filters changed at least once a year, but it does depend on the driving conditions, the car, the mileage you're doing, so I'd always suggest just checking your vehicle manual. The air filter protects your engine from debris like dust and sand. A good air filter helps the engine work smoothly and efficiently. Your cabin filter keeps pollutants out of the car, like pollen, gases and whatever unfortunate stench you drive past. The fuel filter cleans the fuel of contaminants like rust particles before it enters the engine. Your oil filter keeps impurities out of your engine oil because even a speck of dirt or fine grit can get lodged in the engine and grind the components down. Not getting your filters changed regularly can restrict the flow of air, fuel and contaminate vital parts of your engine system with damaging debris. For reliable performance, make sure the mechanic at your next service is using high quality OE replacements like these filters from NAPA. Then you'll be set.